Today is June 30th, and we were gonna come out and actually do farm and seed, but we got stopped because of our rain. It already rained about half an inch in probably 30 minutes. Yeah, we're hitting some muddy spots. See, it's already made puddles where we already drove the service truck in this pickup. It's already filled up our field. Oh, trust me. Oh man, it's hitting me. Yeah. Not fun, not fun, not fun. Okay, you can roll that window up. Yeah, it's crazy. It was raining really hard a little bit ago, and it kind of slowed down for a little bit, and then it went back up into pace, and then slowed down again. It's weird. So we just turned the corner, and we're heading eastbound, and this road is very soft and muddy now. We're in four-wheel drive and we're sliding. If you can see the mirror.
There's our trail.
Oh, there's our trail. It's full. Full. It's always full. It's crazy. It just holds water because it's so low. Like, he just planted, or Andy just, our neighbor just planted this, and it probably, the edge is probably not gonna grow. We have the same problem with this field up ahead that's full of weeds.
Running down the side of the road.
Yeah, it's running down the side of the road. It's just like a... this is our bin silo area, and it is...
It's underwater now.
It's underwater.
Ah, that's cold.
Oh. Yeah. Oh man.
I'm afraid now it's gonna crust.
Yeah, let's just hope it doesn't crust. Man, it's really hitting that window. That's what hydroplaning. Man. Well, this has totally stopped us for a couple days. I'm gonna say probably 3 or 4 days. And yeah. Ooh, it laid that wheat down. Well, it wasn't that far down.
Oh no! Wow. You gotta do this. It's hard to do as a driver. This was just dry.
Yeah, this was
when we came out.
Dry when we came out.
Which was less than an hour ago.
And yeah, that was less than an hour ago.
That
bit of water at. And now it's full.
It was just planted to be-
Yeah, this field was just planted a millet by our neighbor. And now it's underwater.
Oh my god.
Oh no.
This was dry.
There was nothing running through here. Whee!
Did you get that?
Yes, I got that.
Oh my.
That's one of
It's so.
the. Oh
I
no.
had to dump an inch of water here.
Now my estimate, it's changed.
I'm worried.
It's changed.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it home on this road. It is.
It's still been downpouring. Ooh, what? I don't know if you can see this, but it is just.
God.
Oh, geez Louise. And we have more, so like 3 more chances of rain this week.
Yeah.
Yeah, that might stop us for a while, like it did.
We might not be planting millet. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's already running a little bit.
It's small. It's running across the road.
I'm not ready for the town just fixed these roads too. Or the county just fixed these roads, not the town. We're not in a town. Yeah, the county just
Running
fixed these
across
roads.
both of these spots already.
And now they're probably gonna have to fix them again.
Oh my.
Oh man. Yeah.
Didn't make it through that one.
They're gonna have to fix these roads again. I'm already telling you that. It's just running across the roads and it's still raining. And this is a little cell.
Yeah, this is not this bad on the radar.
I think they need a. But I can't check my radar. My service sucks right now. We hit a. We're on a paved road now. And it's raining hard. I mean hard. If you can hear this. Yeah, it's.
Running across the road.
Oh man, it's running across the. Oh my god. Are we on the. Oh my goodness.
What in God's name?
I've never seen it run across that road.
That was deep.
I know that was deep.
It tried to yank me off the road.
I know.
I can't see. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Another crazy rain. Well, it's totally. Yeah, that's a lot of rain. Michael's got some videos to edit now. Uh-oh, gaff out. Gaff out. That's when the train horn's handy. moving cows. That's not even. Well, I mean, yeah. Woo! Nice little rain we've got. Yeah, I haven't seen rain like this. Period. I bet you those trucks are stuck. Golly. It's just crazy.
He's stuck.
Is he stuck?